Medical marijuana is at the center of a major presidential decision, one that could have a lasting impact on a growing industry in Texas.
And today, the president reclassified marijuana under federal law. KENS 5 reporter Megan Reyna with what this means for Texans.
It's one of the most significant changes to drug policy in decades. President Donald Trump signing an executive order to reschedule marijuana from Schedule 1 to Schedule 3. Schedule 1 applies to substances like heroin and LSD. Schedule 3 is for substances with a lower moderate potential for addiction like Tylenol with codeine, steroids, or ketamine.
I can't understate how monumental this decision is for the industry.
And the decision comes as Texas's medical marijuana industry was able to expand through the state's compassionate use program. Jervon Singletary is with Good Blend, one of the state's 3 licensed medical cannabis providers.
For over a decade, we've been fighting for legitimization, right? And saying this is an actual source of medicine. We are helping patients.
Singletary says this decision opens the door for more research and could ease the tax burden on companies. But what it doesn't do is legalize recreational use federally. However, San Antonio-based attorney Joe Holscher says here in Bexar County, he isn't seeing low-level possession offenses prosecuted.
Marijuana is scheduled under Penalty Group 2 in Texas, and there is a law banning it. However, for a variety of both legal, practical, and scientific reasons, that law is essentially ineffective. And that's why the legislature was attempting to pass a marijuana ban.
Holscher believes what this does do is send a strong message.
I think that there's some hope for a coherent national policy that wouldn't be reliant on every state and their own whims.
It never deserved to be categorized as more dangerous than cocaine or heroin. And so that is a win.
So this likely won't impact Texas's hemp industry, which faces a federal ban on THC products derived from hemp in November of 2026. Reporting live from the newsroom, Megan Reyna, KENS 5.